Samsung has finally launched its much-awaited 3S series phones with all new AI features globally called Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. Among these three models in the series, the Galaxy S25 stands out as the most affordable option, with premium features. Now let's explore the specifications of the Galaxy S25 smartphone. The Galaxy S25 boasts a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 2600 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is HDR10 Plus certified, and on the top it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, coupled with Adreno 830 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 128, 256, or 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage. As per the optics, the Galaxy S25 sports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view, along with the 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom support. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 8K video at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 12-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture. The device comes equipped by a large 4000 mAh battery, with 25 watts wired fast charging support, and 15 watts wireless charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with One UI 7 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 146.9 by 70.5 by 7.2 millimeters, and it weighs around 162 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Galaxy S25 has been priced globally as follows. The smartphone will be available for purchase in icy blue, navy blue, silver shadow, mint, midnight black, coral red, and pink gold color options. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy S25 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
We'll be right back.